Hello, here is another quick and easy tutorial on how to enable cookies on your Google Chrome browser. Yes guys, this is super easy. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, let's get started. In order to enable the cookies on Google Chrome, open the Chrome browser. So once you open the Chrome browser, you'll find three dots here, that is the menu. Select that, then select settings. Now in the left sidebar you will find privacy and security. Click on that. Now under privacy and security you have to click on cookies and other site data. There you can find by default this selected block third-party cookies on private mode or incognito mode. If you want to completely enable the all cookies on your Chrome browser, you have to select the first option. But in some other cases, you might want to disable or block the cookies on your Chrome. Then you can select the third option that blocks third-party cookies. Or if you want to block all cookies, you can select the fourth option. Guys, if you re-enable it, just select the first or second option. If you want to allow all cookies on incognito mode and normal mode, then select the first option. But if you want to block only on incognito mode, you can select the second option. This is how we can enable the cookies on Google Chrome browser. Now close the window and restart again. So that's it guys, this was the quick and simple tutorial on how to enable cookies on your Google Chrome browser. Hope this video helps you. If you found helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Well, we'll meet in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.